Making Music by Natalie Goldstein. What you already know. Force is a push or pull that can move things. There are different kinds of force. You push a sled to make it move. Your push is a force. You use force to throw a ball. The force of gravity makes the ball fall to the ground. Gravity pulls things toward the ground. You throw a ball with a lot of force. It moves fast. You throw a ball with less force. It moves slowly. Speed is how quickly or slowly something moves. Things move in different ways. Things can move up and down. Things can move right to left. Other things move in a straight line, a curve, or a zigzag. Things can be in different places. A magnet makes some metal things move. A magnet has a north pole and a south pole. Poles that are different attract each other. Attract means to pull toward. Poles that are the same repel each other. Repel means to push away. When a sound is made, something vibrates. Vibrate means to move back and forth very fast. When you hit a drum, the force makes it vibrate. The vibrating drum makes sound. Sounds are all around. People make sounds. Nature makes sounds. You will read how musical sounds are made. Sound and music. When something vibrates, the air around it vibrates too. The vibration moves through the air. You hear sound when the vibration gets to your ears. Instruments vibrate to make sounds. A musical sound is called a note. Different musical instruments make different sounds that we can hear. Blowing air into a recorder makes vibrations. Tapping piano keys makes vibrations too. Hitting a pot makes it vibrate like a drum. Different musical instruments make the air vibrate differently. So different instruments make different sounds. Percussion. Some instruments make sound when you hit or shake them. These are percussion instruments. A xylophone has bars. Tapping the bars with a stick makes the bars vibrate. Different bars make different sounds. Tambourines and drums vibrate when they are hit. Maracas vibrate when the seeds inside them move. Notes start and stop at different times. This is called a rhythm. Hit a drum. Boom, baba, boom. The drum plays the rhythm. Blowing notes. You blow air into some instruments. The air vibrates inside the instrument. The vibrations make sound. Bottles that have a little water inside also have lots of air inside. Blowing into them makes the air vibrate. Low sounds happen. What kind of sounds happen when you blow into a bottle with lots of water? Instruments you blow into are called wind instruments. A recorder is a wind instrument. Blow into a recorder. The air inside vibrates. A recorder has small holes on one side. Covering different holes changes how the air inside vibrates. It makes different musical notes. Brass instruments are wind instruments made of metal. Many brass instruments have curves. The curves change the way the air inside vibrates. This makes different musical sounds. Some brass instruments have keys to press. Some have a slide that moves. Keys and slides help change notes. Strings and things. Some instruments have strings to pluck or pull. The strings vibrate. This makes the air inside the instrument move. Sound is made. A guitar may have 6 strings. Thin strings make high notes. Thick strings make low notes. A violin is a string instrument. A bow moves the strings. The air inside the instrument vibrates. Fingers press the strings down as the bow moves. Pressing different strings makes different notes. A cello is like a big violin. Because it is bigger, it has more air inside. A cello makes lower notes than a violin. There are strings inside a piano. Near each string is a tiny hammer. Tap a piano key. One hammer moves. It hits one string. The string vibrates and makes a note. Playing together. All musical sounds are made by vibrating air. Vibrations in musical instruments, water bottles, and singing voices all make sounds. A little air vibrating makes a different sound than a lot of air vibrating. Different instruments vibrate in different ways. This is why instruments make different musical sounds. Together, the sounds can make many kinds of music.